Hi everybody, and welcome to my studio. My name is Lonna and I'm here to talk to you about my first Zoom class. Now this Zoom class was in the works long before I started the redo on my studio, but I had to put it on the back burner because I needed to get this done first. So I'm finally excited to be able to show you what my first Zoom class is going to be. I kind of gave a sneak peek about a month ago before I started my remodel in here, and just gave you a little tiny peek of it. So let's see what we're going to do. We're going to paint this lady right here. I've titled her the Bridesmaid. I think she's going to be just a super fun class. The light really doesn't show how delicate pink everything is, her skin, and I really was working on skin tones and movement of hair. I'm not ready for a full face look right now, but I think this one's going to be the perfect start for my Zoom classes. It gives you all an opportunity to try and paint something you've never painted before, and to find out how it's going to be so much easier than you thought, because this was something that I wanted to work towards learning to do, was skin tones and hair and movement with hair, but I never really felt comfortable doing it. So finally I just sat down one day and I just broke it down into just layers, and that made it so much easier, and I was so surprised how quickly it came together. So this will be a 4-hour class, and the background is done with media fluid acrylics, and we'll be doing that in class before we put our pattern on and start painting. And I will have a kit on my website that will have the surface and the media fluid paints that you need to do the background. And when you purchase the class, you'll get prep instructions, because you'll have to do something to the surface before we apply the media fluid acrylics. But that is the kit that will be coming. If you purchase the class, you can also purchase the kit. The kit is $5. The class will be $30. The date that I have scheduled is August 15th, I believe. Let me check my calendar. August 15th, it's a Saturday. It's going to be from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Well, that's a 3-hour class, so it'll actually be from 1 to 5. So I'll need to change that on my website, because I think it will take us about 4 hours to complete it. And that will be Central Time, my time. So I wanted to get this posted out there for you so that you all could get this on your calendar and start planning it. And I cannot wait to do my first solo Zoom class for you. This one is just, it's just one of my favorite ones that I've done, and I have just been so excited to show this to you. So head on over to my website, lonnalamb.com, and you can click on my Zoom class link there and purchase the class, and then you'll be able to download the packet. And you can also have an option for purchasing the kit there on my website. It's underneath my kits file. So I just hope that you all will be excited to paint this with me. Please leave any feedback that you have. I cannot wait. I seriously cannot wait to paint this with you. It's just going to be so much fun. You're going to learn so much from this class. And I just want you to enjoy it and try something new outside of your box. So head on over there. I can't wait to see you sign up. If you've got any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. And also, if you have a particular day that you would rather attend a Zoom class, leave those in the comments, because right now I'm just planning it for a Saturday. Because I feel like that's the day when people have the most free time. But if you've got another day that works for you, just let me know. And I'll be planning more Zoom classes, because this is kind of the way of the future for now. And I've had all my seminars canceled for this year, so I am missing teaching. So I'm ready to teach you all. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, and please sign up for my class because I really appreciate it. Bye-bye.